so this pattern calls for multiples of 12 plus 3. So that means you will chain 12, 12, 12, 12, 12 until you reach the desired width. And then you're going to add 3. So I did a sample yesterday, and it the number of chains did not match, but sometimes I have extra chains. Sometimes I'm missing chains, so I don't know if I just miss a chain while I'm chaining, or I'm not sure, but hopefully this will, I have the correct amount of chains. So it says that you're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So right here. And then in that same chain, you're going to do another double crochet. You're going to skip 2 chains and then do a single crochet. Chain 5, skip 5 chains. Okay, yeah, I'm doing the right way. Sorry, I'm working on several patterns and I'm like, oh, I hope I'm working on the right one. So you're going to skip 5 here and then do another single crochet. Skip 2 chains. And then you're going to do 5 double crochets. Four and 5. Skip 2 chains and then do a single crochet. Then chain 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 5 chains. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, do a single crochet. And then you would skip 2 chains and then do 5 double crochet in the same chain. Skip 2, your single crochet, chain 5, skip 5, single crochet, and then back again. Skip 2, and then do 5 double crochets, skip 2 chains, single crochet, chain 5, skip 5, and single crochet. And that's the foundation row. So you should have, you should have 3 chains left. So it is correct. So it is a multiple of 12 plus 3. And in the last chain, you're going to do 3 double crochets. Okay, so now row number 2, you will chain up 1 and then do a single crochet in the first chain or stitch or space. Going to chain 5. And then you're going to single crochet in the chain 5 space. Chain 5. And then you're going to single crochet in the middle. So it would be 1, 2, the 3rd double crochet. So you know it's the middle because you have 2 double crochets on each side. Then you chain 5, single crochet in the chain 5 space, and then you would chain 5 and then do a single crochet in the next cluster of 5, I guess you can call it. I don't know if a cluster, but it's the set of 5, I guess. Do that and then chain 5, and then you would do a single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and so forth. So once you're at the end, you're going to chain 5. God, it's really windy outside. Okay. And then you're going to single crochet on the top of the chain 3. Like that. So that's row number 2. Row number 3 says chain 5. You're going to single crochet in this first chain 5 space. Then here in the next, this single crochet, you're going to do, 5 double crochets. 4 and 5. Then you're going to single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and then you're going to do 5 double crochets in the next single crochet. Am I out of frame? I can't see. This is the second time I've had to do this because in the other video I was crocheting like this. Nobody could see anything I was doing. Okay, so then in the next chain 5 space, you do single crochet, and then once you do that, you would chain 5 and do a single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and then your 5 double crochets in the next single crochet, and then the single crochet in the next chain 5 space, you would chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and then your 5, and so forth. So once you're at the end, right here at the last single crochet here in the last chain 5 space, you're going to chain 2. You're going to do a double crochet on top of the single crochet from below. And that's row number 3. So 4, it's easy. Chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 5, and you're going to do 1, 2 in the third, double crochet to a single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, probably did 6 or 4, and then again 1, 2 in the third, do a single crochet, chain 5, then you're going to jump and look for the this is the one with the chain 5, so just going to look for the third chain to do a single crochet like this. That's row number 4. So row number 5, you're going to chain 3, and then do 2 double crochets in that same space. Then you're going to single crochet in the next chain 5 space. You're going to chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. And then here you're going to do this next single crochet, do your 5 double crochets. Single crochet in your next chain 5 space, and then chain 5, and then single crochet in your next chain 5 space, and then you would do your single crochets, your double crochets in the single crochet, your 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and then you repeat the 5 double crochets, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, and then single crochet in the next 5 space, 5 chain space. And that's row number 5. So here at the end, your last little chain 5 space, you do a single crochet, and then you jump over, and on top of the single crochet, you're going to do 3 double crochets. That's row number 5. So this pattern is a repeat of row number 2 to 5. It's pretty easy. Let me just start on row number 2 again. So I'll do I'm just babbling. Stop. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna chain up 1, single crochet in the first space. I'm going to chain 5, single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet 1, 2 in the middle double crochet, chain 5, single crochet, my space, and then you would chain 5 and then single crochet in the middle double crochet, then chain 5 and then single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and so forth. So that's row number 2 again, and then we do a single crochet on top of it, chain 3, and that's it. That's the pattern. And I did this sample. So it is lacy. This is the Caron Simply Soft yarn. It's autumn red. So if you can see the difference if you do it with this weight, like a regular is it worsted weight? It's okay, but if you do it like the Caron, which is it says, and I know I repeat this all the time, but they say the weight is a 4, but it looks more like a DK weight because it's a lot. See the difference? The yarn you would use would be smaller. So I don't know why they say it's a 4, because it's not. It's really, but it's if you're gonna want something lacy like this, I would recommend Caron Simply Soft. It's a nice. It's a little bit heavier, so it's good for like a shawl or a wrap or scarf, I guess. Anyway, okay, so that's the pattern. Please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.